Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to record a video with sound. Okay, screen recording. So first you need to go like this. You need to pull the up right corner of your screen, and here you'll find a red button. I mean not red. It could be any color, but just press it. And if you want the sound, press it, hold it long. And if you see this microphone thing underneath, and if it's off, you'll have no sound. And if it's on, you can have your sound on. So yeah, screen recording. So like this, and this is how you can record your own screen to give yourself a high five. So yeah, this we can just do this. Like if we go somewhere, we can just let them see our screen. So yeah, this is how. So bye.